When you open Microsoft Word, you will find some sample formats of documents such as resume, letter, student reports, etc. given by Word, in which you can download and then simply open and edit your documents according to your need. But we will start with a blank document. Let's type some text to make our document. From here we can apply format for our document. There are many to choose from. We can apply format as per our requirement. In the View ribbon we can enable the ruler. Ruler can be used to change the margins of the document. Simply take the pointer on the ruler and the two-handed arrow appears. Now change the margin with mouse pointer. So we got our text and now we will format it. We can add color to our heading and highlight it also from the home pane. In the Design ribbon we can choose various formats of documents and various background colors and themes for our document. We can choose page color from here. From here we can add watermark in our document and we can also add custom watermark as we wish. Now our watermark has been applied. In the Layout ribbon we can divide the page into two columns. We can also use scale to change the margins of columns according to our needs. If you like this tutorial, please like it, share it and subscribe our channel so that you do not miss these tutorials, and do watch the second video on the MS Word series.